Hello children, in the previous video related to this scene, I mean Act 4 Scene 1, that is also known as a court scene or trial scene, Duke has already informed Antonio that he has come in the court in order to defend himself against a stony-hearted person, that is Shylock. Then he orders one of his courtiers and says to him, "Go and call Shylock in the court." Celerio says that Shylock is standing at the door and he is waiting for your permission. Then Shylock enters. As soon as Shylock enters, Duke says to the gathering in the court, to the people who are standing in the court, Duke says, "Make room." Make room is give room, give space to Shylock and let him stand before our face and let Shylock stand in front of us. As Shylock comes in front of Duke, addressing to Shylock, Duke says, "The world thinks and I think so too." He says to Shylock, "Everybody in the world, and even I too, think that thou but leadest this fashion of thy malice to the last hour of act." Means this world and even I also think that you will continue this show of malice. Malice means hatred, means you will continue this show of hatred to the last hour of act. Last hour of act means to the last moment of this case. In other words, he means to say, this world and I think that you are a cruel person and you will show your cruelty till the last moment of this case. Then it is thought thou wilt show thy mercy and remorse more strange than is thy strange apparent cruelty. Then we also think you will show your mercy and regret. We also think that you will show. Thy mercy means your mercy, remorse means regret. You will show your mercy and regret more strange than is thy strange apparent cruelty, which will be stranger than your odd seeming cruelty. Actually, you seem to be a cruel person, but I think by showing mercy and regret, you will make the people feel strange. You want to surprise the people by showing mercy and regret on his demand, that is 1 pound of flesh, where thou now exactest the penalty, whereas now you are demanding the penalty. Means right now you are demanding the penalty, which is a pound of this poor merchant flesh. And what is the penalty for which you are demanding? The penalty is a pound of this poor merchant's flesh. Who is the poor merchant? Antonio. Means right now you are demanding your penalty as it is given agreement, that is 1 pound of flesh from Antonio's body. But I think by showing mercy and pity on Antonio, you want to make everyone surprised. Thou wilt not only lose the forfeiture, but touch with human gentleness and love. And he also says, if you show mercy on Antonio, in that case, you will not only let it go, you will not only lose the penalty. Penalty means 1 pound of flesh, which you have purchased by giving 3,000 ducats to Antonio earlier, but moved by human gentleness and love. In other words, he means to say, if you show mercy on Antonio, in that case, you will have to give up the penalty, give up your demand, and touch with human gentleness and love, and you will be moved by gentleness and love. Forgive a moiety of the principal, and you will have to give up a portion of the principal. Moiety means portion. Portion of the principal means you will have to lose your demand for which you are demanding in the court. Glancing an eye of pity on his losses. And we are expecting that you will show mercy on Antonio by glancing an eye of pity, by putting an eye of pity on his losses. Actually, right now, Antonio is suffering from great losses, as according to the information, all the ships of Antonio which were in the ocean, they have been destroyed. There is no news about the ships of Antonio. Secondly, he doesn't have the amount to give to Shylock. So, right now, Antonio is suffering from a great loss, and that's why you must glance an eye of pity on his losses. And the losses which Antonio is suffering, those losses are not ordinary one. Those losses that have of late so huddled on his back. He is saying the losses which Antonio is recently facing, is recently suffering from, and those losses, to press a royal merchant down. And those losses are enough to make a royal merchant down. In other words, he means to say, right now, the losses with which Antonio is suffering, those losses are not the common losses or ordinary losses. These losses are sufficient to bring down a royal merchant. And the condition of Antonio is so pathetic that pluck commiseration of his state. That pluck commiseration of his state from brassy bosoms, rough hearts of flint, from stubborn Tartars and Turks, never trained to offices of tender courtesy. That his condition is so pathetic, pluck commiseration from his state. State means condition. Now the condition of Antonio is so bad that after seeing Antonio's condition, mercy can be brought. Mercy can come out from the brassy bosoms. Brassy bosoms means the hearts which are as hard as brass and rough hearts of flint and as rough as stone. Means even the people whose hearts are as hard as brass, as rough as stone, they people also can show mercy on Antonio's condition. Secondly, saying, from stubborn Turks and Tartars, never trained to offices of tender courtesies. His condition is so sympathetic, so pitiable, that even Turks and Tartars also can show mercy on Antonio. About Turks and Tartars there is given, these are such a kindless people who were never trained to show tenderness, courtesy, politeness on anyone. In this way, he is saying, we all expect a gentle answer, Jew. Jew, I know I have explained you the pathetic condition of Antonio to you, so now we are expecting a gentle answer from you. We are expecting that you are going to show mercy on Antonio.